Hey, you don't know me? I'm the Root Boy. You know, from the Root Boy Cooks, that's me. I don't appear on camera very often because you can see why. I wanted to make this video though because I posted a recent video called Barbecue Bacon Pig Candy. And in that video I said the word bacon 24 times. And for some reason a lot of people, hey, you know what? First things first, okay? Let's get some brew out here. Oh yeah, okay. Anyway, I got my pit barrel mug, frosty pit barrel mug, and I'm gonna pour out some, what is this? This is Key Billy Island Ale, ale with lime juice in it. Cheers, everybody. Very refreshing. Okay, so yeah, I made a video. I called it Barbecue Bacon Pig Candy because it's pig candy. It's like burnt ends, but made from bacon, actual slab bacon. So I put in the description. I wrote, count how many times I say bacon in this video, and I'll give some lucky person some Root Boy Rub. Well, a couple of people guessed at a number. I think Rivet Gardner guessed, and Papa Texas. A couple of other guys. I'm sorry, I can't remember exactly who. I think Chris from Big's Cooking guessed the number. All your numbers are wrong. The correct number was 24. But I decided this is good beer. Awesome. Key Billy. Anyway, I decided to use the random comment picker and just pick a name out of the responses, and the winner is a fellow named William Matthews. And I like what he said. He said, if you have me and my wife over for pig candy, and I'll read the description to them. That would be very helpful, William. I hope William is a subscriber, and I hope he's watching my videos, and I hope he sees this one. William, go to the end of this video. You'll see a link to my email where you can contact me, and I'll send you some Root Boy Rub. And to everybody who didn't win, I'm sorry. You know, it was too hard to choose from everybody who entered and everybody who didn't enter. So I just used the random comment picker to pick a name. William Matthews, you're the winner. And I just wanted to make this video to tell you about William Matthews and what he had to say. And I want to thank everybody for everybody who subscribes to me, everybody who likes my videos and watches my videos. Hey, I appreciate every single one of you. Trust me, I really do. And I don't know what else to say. I just wanted to thank everybody and announce the winner, William Matthews. Get in touch with me. If William Matthews doesn't watch this video and doesn't get in touch with me, I'll redraw. We'll get somebody else on the line, okay? So I'm cooking some ribs in a pit barrel today for a future video. That's the smoke you see drifting by. And I'm drinking a brew back in my backyard. It's kind of hot out here in South Florida, about 100 degrees, but it's not too bad. Not too bad. It's been worse. Anyway, I just want to say hello to everybody who watches my videos, and thank you, William Matthews, for your excellent comment. You hit the nail right on the head. Some people don't read the description. You need to read the video description, folks. You don't know what you're missing. And anyway, thanks for watching. I'm glad that I'm able to bring you this content. I'm glad that you like it. And I hope that we can continue doing this, you know. I don't ask for donations. All I ask is that you subscribe. There's a subscribe link on this video. And let me get a drink. I'm getting dry. That's good beer. Key Billy Key Lime Ale. Very good beer. Anyway, yeah, that's what it's all about. Beer, right? Beer, meat, fire, and beer. That's my motto. Okay, so that's my little announcement video. I hope you all enjoyed the pig candy video, and I hope you'll stay tuned for next week's video. And I've got cooking some awesome ribs that's going to be coming up in a couple of weeks. And that's about all I got to say. Thank you to everyone who subscribes and watches my videos. Thanks again. Thanks to William Matthews for your comment. I hope you watch this video and respond so we can give you some rub. And hey, come back on Friday for another awesome video. Thanks everybody. Bye.